Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to organize and track your book club reads with Airtable, the 2025 edition. First off, open Airtable and create a new base. Choose Start from Scratch to have full control over customization. This base will serve as the main hub for your book club reads, making it easier to manage and organize the books. Now that we've done that, let's create three tables: books, members, and meetings. The reason we do this is to keep track of our books, members' reading progress, and meeting schedules all in one place. Next up, in the Books table, create fields for book title, author, genre, summary, and status. This helps us because it ensures we have all the necessary information about each book at a glance, including whether it's been chosen for a meeting, currently being read, or already discussed. Moving on to the Members table, create fields for name, current book, progress, and notes. This is crucial as it allows us to track what each member is reading, how far they've gotten, and any thoughts they might have about the book. For the Meetings table, we'll create fields for date, book, discussion leader, and notes. This way, we can easily schedule and plan our book club meetings, decide who will lead the discussion, and jot down key points from the meeting. Now let's link these tables together. In the Meetings table, link the book field to the books table and the discussion leader field to the members table. This is what makes Airtable so powerful, its ability to make connections between different pieces of data. Let me explain why this matters. By linking the tables, we can easily see which book is being discussed at which meeting and who's leading the discussion, all without having to manually cross-reference between tables. We're wrapping up now, and you should have a fully functioning Airtable base for your book club. Remember, the beauty of Airtable lies in its flexibility, so feel free to add or modify fields and tables as per your club's needs. And that's it. You're all set to organize and track your book club reads like a pro. Thanks for joining us, and happy reading.